Hey guys, thank you for signing up for this Global Digital Marketing Bootcamp. My name is Watts and I'm the CEO and founder of STANDOUT. Today, in this video, I'm going to cover the benefits of our marketing bootcamp, how we are different from the others, what is it that you can learn with this bootcamp, and how you can apply this in your future marketing objectives. So what do? So STANDOUT is a digital marketing agency. We help small businesses with marketing and growth hacking. We help them right from scratch by establishing their business. You know, if they are at a level that they already have a business and they want to actually implement marketing, we do that as well. So we help with complete digital marketing strategy, execution, you know, in terms of social media, SEO, website designing. We do all of this, and we have been doing this for the last 3 years now. Doing this, we actually got to a place where like, hey, you know what, we are making so much money doing this, why don't we help others also doing this? That's why we launched our global online bootcamps and offline bootcamps. So most of our offline bootcamps happen in Singapore, you know, at Aventis School of Management, and we conduct like 2 to 4 week short programs where, you know, our participants and students get to basically learn plus interact and network with industry experts, startup owners, CEOs, VCs. They also get to participate in a lot of cultural activities, networking events, which actually helps them build their network in Singapore. Singapore being one of the, you know, financial capitals of the world, and Singapore comes with a lot of benefits in terms of running your digital business online. That's one. The second part we do is the online bootcamps. Now, you know, we do understand the current situation that has got struck all of us around the globe. And that's the reason we have launched our online bootcamps, where we want to bring the complete experience online. Now, why are we doing this? We're doing this to basically build a community of digital influencers. You know, we work with influencers across the globe. We want to empower you to live a life of your choice. You know, digital marketing is such a powerful skill that if you can get, you can actually use it and leverage it and live your life. You can make money, you can do things that you like and make money out of that. And if that is something that you really want to do and you're excited for, stay tuned, and I'm going to cover this in the next slides. So let's go ahead and see, like, is this program really a fit for you? Do you think that you are a perfect fit for this? If you fall in any of these 4 buckets, yes, you are. If you're an entrepreneur, you know, you want to launch a business, you have an idea, or you're already doing something, but you're not able to, you know, build traction or find the digital strategy around it, this is for you. You are a freelancer, you might be, you know, doing some sort of local freelancing through your network, maybe on Upwork, on Fiverr, but you don't know how to like scale that. Well, again, you are totally qualified for this program. Now, of course, you are a student and you have no idea about digital marketing. Right? You don't know what is digital marketing. I just want to learn and get a certification, maybe a job. You know what? You will definitely get a job. You're a business owner, you have a local business or a store, and want to take it online. Yes, definitely this program works for you. If you are not from any of these 4 buckets, I'm sorry, this program is not for you. You can definitely find a lot of other programs out there. I'm sure there are a lot of people doing a lot of marketing training, and you can find someone who will actually fit with your need. Great guys, so I hope you are here online with me, and I'm gonna just quickly cover why go digital in like 3 important ways. First, why go digital? Because the world is online. Out of the complete population all over the globe, 59% of the people are online. Now this percentage is growing at 7% every year. That 7% is about 298 million people who are going online every year. And on an average, a person spends about 6 hours and 43 minutes online. About 63% of the total ad spend in US is gonna be digital by 2021. That is just 1 year down the line. With the advancement of digital marketing, there are companies who are incorporating AI and machine learning into digital marketing. This is basically automate most of the marketing work, and 69% of the repetitive and predictive roles will face a stagnant because of automation because of AI and machine learning, going hands-on with digital marketing. The only two skills that would remain relevant, of course, what can't be automated and managing what would be. So that again is on the strategy, the creative side, again a part of digital marketing. Another great reason why you should definitely go online. On an average, a digital marketing freelancer earns about $50 an hour. If you have the right skills and you are new to the market, you can easily make $50 an hour doing digital marketing freelancing. Even if you work 2 hours a day, you make about $100 a day, which is about $3,000 a month. That's good money, right? 3,000 US dollars. I'm not even talking about Singapore dollars. You can actually see on the screen marketeers who started from nothing, and now these guys are making more than $50,000 a month doing digital marketing and living the life they want to live. Of course, it takes time, it takes a lot of skills and a lot of hard work to build that amount of money. Neil Patel is actually worth about 5 to 10 million US dollars with the companies that he has built like Crazy Egg and Uber Suggest. Normally, a digital marketing agency charges about 100 US dollars an hour for consulting or marketing services, be it SEO, social media, affiliate marketing, building a website, content marketing. That's an average. You can definitely build more, you can build less, depending on your expertise or experience, the sort of value that you're adding to another company. You can actually see on the screen how much you can make in different areas of digital marketing. For instance, in social media, you can make about 1,000 to 2,500 US dollars a month. Just with providing content strategies, you can make about $2,000. With a website, you can easily sell it for $3,000 to $5,000, and with branding, you can make $4,000 to $5,000 US dollars a month. Did you know that 90% of the new ventures fail because they're not able to run their marketing campaign successfully? Yes, you're right, because no matter how beautiful product or service that you have, but if you cannot market your product or service, you'll never be able to sell it or make money out of it. So marketing plays a really essential role in terms of defining your sales and marketing objectives, and digital marketing is something you definitely need to leverage on and basically to run your business. So enough of me talking about stuff. This is some real numbers from my Stripe account. I've made about $42,000 within 6 months. You can see from May to December, I made about $42,000 online, right? This is my Stripe account dashboard, and all my payments come through online card transactions. And you can also see that, when I was running my marketing agency, I made about $64,000 within 6 months. So about $100,000 within a year is what I made running multiple businesses, be it a marketing agency or the education businesses that I'm doing right now. So you can make this money too. It's doable, and this is what actually we're going to teach you in this online course. The average pay for a typical digital marketer in the US is about 91,000 US dollars in a year. So that's still like good money, and if you are actually a very experienced marketer at a director or a manager level, you can actually make more money. These are some blunt numbers that would help you understand the value and the potential digital marketing has in today's world, and it's just growing exponentially. There's no cap and there's no stop on this in the next 5 to 10 years. Now you would be wondering, like, there are so many tools out there. I mean, which tools should I choose, pick, and expertise on? If you just Google online, you would find there are thousands and thousands of marketing tools. So you might be wondering, like, do I have to learn all these tools? Do I need to know so many tools to leverage marketing? No, actually not. You just need to know the right tools. What are the right tools that you need basically to have your website, to have an SEO, the right tool to give you analysis on a weekly basis, right tool for automation with your email and your social media, stuff like that. So there are a bunch of tools that you actually need to know and you would get access to. This program covers about 25 plus marketing tools that you would get access to, and that is all you need basically for your complete automation journey. We covered this course in a span of 12 weeks. I'll not take a lot of time and go detailed into it. You can actually take a snap or just pause this video and actually read all of this. But it starts with the strategy. Week 1 is dedicated towards defining the right marketing strategy based on your objective and your need. If you're looking to be a freelancer, or if you're a business owner, or you're a marketing professional looking to upskill, or you are a student just want to learn. So that first week is dedicated purely in that decision making. The second week is all about building a website from the scratch with no coding involved. So you would learn how to build and launch your website based on your business, your need, your interest, your passion. You would be doing it and we would be coaching you and explaining you how to do it. And that's how it's going to be throughout the course. The moment you launch your website, you start with SEO on week 3, where you start ranking your website on Google search for the keywords that are relevant to your niche, your business, or your interest. You learn on-page SEO, off-page SEO. I will not go deep inside SEO because I'm sure you can always, Google it and you can understand what is SEO. Going forward, once you have your SEO optimized website, you actually start creating and running ads on social media. You start building traffic on your website because that's important, right? You have visibility now. How do you boost that? How do you bring it to the people online? That's what you're going to learn in week 5. Social media marketing. You would run ads on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. You would learn how to bring more traffic, how to improve conversions on your website. If you're selling something or if you have a blog, how do you optimize it, A/B test different creatives, blogs, content, types of ads. That's about week 5 and 6. The week 7 is all about email marketing. How do you build your email list? How do you build a subscriber base for your business, for your industry? How do you automate emails? How do you send out regular emails to the right professionals in your industry? Because it's really important for you to be connected to your audience and they should never forget you. Email marketing is one of the cheapest and the most easiest way to connect and to stay updated, informed, and do the same for your audience as well. Week 8 is all about Google Ads. Now you, of course, if you're not ranking on Google, and you will not in the first month because it takes time, it takes at least 3 months. So how do you rank yourself immediately? Through Google Ads, display ads, search ads, and how do you learn search and display ads, and how do you rank your website on Google search. Week 9 is all about analytics and performance. Basically, how do you measure all the traffic that you're bringing through Google, Facebook, emails, and direct traffic? How do you measure it, analyze it, optimize it, find the right hacks, the right triggers, and how do you analyze the whole traffic funnel? That's all about week 9. Week 10 is affiliate marketing. Is affiliate marketing something that works for a business? No or yes, doesn't matter. You would still learn affiliate marketing, and you will also know how you can get accepted in different affiliate networks around the world, how you can leverage affiliate marketing and build an online business, a sustainable business, how this tracking mechanism works. And again, as I said, it's not just learning, you will be doing it while we are learning. So you will be implementing everything. By week 10, you would have a fully functional website, a responsive, optimized website with SEO on it, with social media accounts driving some good traffic to your website. Your organic ranking would start kicking in. Your emails would be in place. So, your email automation is set, your Google ads are set, and your analytics and your automation is also kind of in place. So you would have everything ready by the end of 10th week. And that's when you start your internship. So that's when you can actually leverage all the learning and implement in different industries with our connects, with the startups that we introduced you to with. You could get an opportunity to work with a startup in Singapore and India and US and Brazil, any part of the world, depending on the sort of internship that you would be looking out for during the last 2 weeks. And of course, at the end of the program, you get a certification recognized and accredited by Aventis School of Management Singapore and STANDOUT. And this is going to definitely help you in terms of your marketing objectives, your career objectives. The good news is that it would also be a part of our alumni, our community base, whom you could basically interact with on a day-to-day, weekly basis in terms of any sort of assistance or need that you want or get. You would also be a part of the affiliate program we run at Standout, where you could actually make money working with Standout as well. So that's a part of the bonus that you get through this program. There are a lot of good things that comes along with joining our program. The most important one is the BYOI and DIY for maximum impact. BYOI is bring your own idea, and DIY is do it yourself. So you would bring your own idea and you would do it and learn it and execute it yourself. That's the beauty about this course. So basically we are helping you turn your passion into reality in a sustainable business model during the complete 3 months of the program. The second best thing about this program is that every week you would be speaking with one of our industry experts working in one of the top companies around the world. It could be from Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, Landmark, Decathlon, GEX, and we are actually adding this pool. We are building this industry leadership pool as well in our upcoming programs. So one of the industry leaders will come and speak to you. You would get to interact with them live over the video conferencing. You can ask them questions and they would probably tell you more insights about what's currently happening and trending in their industry and how they're implementing different marketing strategies into their business, which is something that you could learn from and excel from as well. And this will definitely help you in terms of understanding, okay, what's out there and am I in the shadow or not. You also get to be a part of our global programs that we conduct in Singapore. You directly get a fast track entry without having the hassle of going through the process. Plus, you also get about 10 to 30% scholarship on our offline bootcamps, which we run in Singapore. The last and the good news is that we are running a 30% scholarship currently on our online bootcamps. And if you're really interested, you think this is something you want to do and take up and become a pioneer in digital marketing, you can go for it today, right now. This is the course you want to do, and if you want to do, just go for it. If you want to stand out with us, and we are waiting for you on the other side. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoy my video, my webinar, and I look forward to seeing you online for this online bootcamp starting on May 1st, 2020.